What are you making, bub?
I am making a swage. Right now, just turning the handle.
Sure nice day for it.
Yep.
Couldn't be better.
Well, I gotta go to work. I got a meeting to go to. I'm gonna take the motorcycle.
Have a good ride.
I will.
Hit. Hit.
So you're making the drift for
Making a slot punch, so it'll make a long rectangular hole, and then so we'll punch a long rectangular hole, and then you force a round drift into it, so you can put a bigger hole in a bar than a bar is wide. And here's what we made earlier today. This is a big bottom swage.
oh nice.
So that will help us make half round shapes, which will help us make fullers, which will help us make things to make things, make things.
Make money.
What'd you make this out of?
That is just mild steel because I don't need to use it that much, and because of the shape of it, it doesn't really, like, for this I need the punch to really hold a sharp edge, where with this, it doesn't really need to hold a sharp edge. It's like a blunt tool. So it won't deform that much unless I put cold steel in it. So it'd be better to make it out of something higher, but I wanted to bang it out quick.
You guys in 2 days.
And I'll do, I will mark it. This don't fit.
Is making tools your favorite thing to do?
I think so. Being able to make the tool you need for the project is really great. It allows you to have no limits. Like if I want a certain shape, I don't have to give up on that shape. I can figure out a solution to make a tool that will help me make that shape. So it does hold you back to an extent because you get all bogged down making a million tools and you forget what you were making in the first place.
Yeah, but you find it pretty enjoyable, right?
Yeah. That's the fun part. Okay, just hit. And hit as hard as you can.
Where'd it go?
That way.
There's the cutoff point. One of my cleaner cuts.
Nice. Just got back from my meeting, work. Boys are out there blacksmithing. Nice weather. They're working outside instead of inside. And I'm gonna go get something to eat and then go back out and help them later.
No, keep that fuller down back there. And we're gonna make a flat bar to make a bottle opener, okay? We're gonna turn this into a flat bar, so it's gonna be this wide. Well, actually it'll be different because this is a taper. But it's gonna be this thick all the way down. So from this point down, we're gonna draw it out, okay? Okay, so you can see now how it's gonna become a slot punch. The whole this punches will be
Gotcha.
a rectangle.
I'm trying to grow a mustache out like Baradas' beard. I had to trim it today though because it kept poking me. You have to do that often, Broadus?
Not in months.
Not in months?
Not in months. This side.
The boys are working on a top secret project I asked them to do for me. It'll be in a later vlog. One that something we're going to send to Philadelphia.